guys, I am Achal and welcome back to my YouTube channel Spices with Sugar. If you are following my weekly series, you might have noticed that we had oats, chia seeds, fruits, green gram, chilas and whatnot for our breakfast. But don't you think we are missing out to something? Yes, we are missing on to eggs and I am sure that all my vegetarians would agree to this. Any breakfast is incomplete without eggs. So here I am again with yet another healthy breakfast recipe and that is frittata. Frittata basically egg-based Italian dish है. It has meat, it has eggs, it has vegetables, cheese and much more. So without wasting any further time, let's get into the recipe.
For this recipe, we'll need around 4 eggs, chopped green capsicum, chopped spinach or palak, thinly sliced onion, sweet corn, chopped garlic, chopped spring onion, chopped tomatoes, and for seasoning we need some oregano and chili flakes and salt and pepper, butter and cheese. Now in a heated pan add around 1 tablespoon of butter. You can also use any oil. Once the butter is melted completely, add the chopped garlic. To this we are going to add some sliced onion. Now saute the onions till golden brown in color. To this we are going to add chopped tomatoes. Once the onion and tomato are fried together, we are going to add some green capsicum. Do not overcook the capsicum to maintain that green color. Now add fresh chopped spinach or palak. Now palak will release its water, so let it cook completely. To this we are going to add some seasoning like chili flakes and oregano. Add it according to your own taste. Now mix everything together. To this we are going to add some boiled sweet corn. Look at the amazing colors that we have put in together. It looks so bright and delicious. Now to make the egg mixture, I have cracked open 4 eggs in a bowl. Now to season our eggs, add some pepper and salt to it. Now whisk this completely, incorporate all the air into it to make a nice fluffy batter. Now I have added some more spring onions to this mixture. Take an oven safe bowl or a pan and apply some butter to it. Pour the egg mixture into the bowl. Now put in the fried vegetables into the egg mixture. And mix it well. Do not overmix. We do not want to lose that incorporated air into the egg. Now you can bake into the oven as it is, but for some extra cheesiness I am adding some mozzarella cheese. Some more processed cheese You can never go wrong with some extra cheese on your dish. Now let's bake this into a preheated oven for 15 to 20 minutes. Let's not wait anymore, cut a slice and enjoy your frittata. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel Spices with Sugar and do not forget to press the notification bell to not miss any of my videos.
Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you really enjoyed it. If you liked my video, do give it a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe to Spices with Sugar for more such easy and delicious recipes. Thank you. Bye-bye.